As children, we are attracted to colors. This is because these colors are within us, which is also the frequency that we originally vibrate on. The vivid colors of red, blue, yellow, orange, white, green of the Rubik Cube allows us to be inquisitive and trying to align all the little cubes with the same color in one dimension. Sparking something within us reminds us of our original high frequency. It is no coincidence that color has an impact on our inner power, what is known as colorology. Colorology refers to the study of how certain colors can help to boost positive energy and amplify positive emotions within us. In essence, it allows us to reconnect with the high frequency that we present within us as children. By tapping into this knowledge and using colorology to our advantage, you can increase your self-awareness and discover who you truly are.